active cooling fan, UltraSense gaming simplified, energy glory breathing light, 2K Samsung assisted airflow screen, and the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 production chip. This Ultra should be the ultimate answer for extreme gamers. Let's take a look at the all-new iQOO 15 Ultra. First, let's go through the accessories. Silicone case, 100W charger. The charging cable is a pleasant surprise. The retro R-shaped capsule plug makes a comeback. Not much more needs to be said. My unit is the 2049 color variant. Under the silver back cover is a layer of honeycomb texture, which can also achieve a flowing light visual effect. At certain angles, it even shows an ice blue light, giving a sense of futuristic technology. At the same time, it doesn't attract fingerprints. This time the camera module is named Future Cabin, but it's not just a simple transparent design. If you look closely, you'll notice some little details. Floating lenses, a very interesting module arrangement, and an extremely elegant Ultra logo that also conveys a sense of performance. The small horizontal strip here is the breathing light. Moving to the sides, you can see the newly upgraded UltraSense gaming shoulder buttons. On the other side, you can see the opening for the wind tunnel. There's also one under the camera module, forming the airflow channel for cooling. Regarding the exterior design of the iQOO 15 Ultra, what do you think? Moving to the front, the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor lights up this 2K 144Hz Samsung Everest screen. This is what people often call immediate praise. From the start, an AR screen protector has been applied, which increases transparency and reduces reflections and supports full screen AOD. I know everyone might be worried about the power consumption of a 2K screen. Because the polarizing layer has been removed, its actual power consumption is even lower than some 1.5K screens. With sufficient hand brightness, especially when we watch videos or browse the comment section, there is almost no trailing. At the same time, it also has hardware-level gaming eye protection. The full scene, minimum brightness, and 3 light sensors provide comprehensive eye protection. This screen is truly flawless. Next is the performance, which everyone is concerned about. The 5th generation Snapdragon 8 production chip combined with the self-developed Q3 gaming chip has fully stacked hardware. Let's go straight to actual tests. Running Genshin Impact at high graphics for half an hour easily maxes out a single line. Thanks to the active cooling fan and the 8K IcePuck VC heat dissipation system, the back panel is only warm. For iQOO, improving the gaming experience is just the first step. Through the self-developed Q3 gaming chip, full scene ray tracing is realized. Especially for open-world games like Genshin Impact, when I turn on ray tracing, the game visuals are closer to realistic light and shadow effects. Next, turn on super resolution and super frame. Through QNSS super rendering technology, even games like Genshin Impact and Honkai can achieve ray tracing plus 2K, super resolution at 120 FPS. After enabling this, the result is quite exaggerated, visibly clearer and smoother, giving a PC-level gaming experience. For FPS games like PUBG Mobile, we can use the new UltraSense gaming shoulder buttons. After customizing and mapping the keys, you can start playing. The advantage of the shoulder buttons is faster and more stable operations. 4-finger controls are easier to handle and the latency is particularly low, with the support of the UltraSense gyroscope and UltraSense touch. In team battles, shooting and movement controls are very responsive. After 2 hours of gaming, there was no noticeable lag throughout. Overall, it is extremely smooth. Coupled with the Drum Master coaxial symmetrical dual speakers and the Warhammer Max dual-axis vibration motors, the immersive gaming experience can only be truly felt by using it. This time, the iQOO 15 Ultra also has a game streaming feature. 7 major games support 150 FPS streaming, with a maximum of 2K 60 FPS and a streaming standard of 30 MB per second. It's also very convenient. You just need to find the streaming mode in the game injection, and you can start streaming. You can also set up exclusive scheduling, audio management, privacy protection, and other functions. During streaming, you can enable the intelligent recording feature to capture highlights, which is especially helpful for new streamers, saving complicated steps and equipment. It's a productivity tool right from the start. You could say that to deliver an excellent phone for extreme gamers. iQOO truly put in their utmost effort. This dedication is reflected in every detail. Performance Ultra has firmly established its position at iQOO,